In order to add events from a school website, first head over to the district website by typing in this URL to the browser of your choice. Next, click on the Schools tab and select which school you are interested in seeing events for. For this example, we will use Wheaton Moorville South High School. Once you have clicked on which school you are interested in, click on School Calendar. The calendar events will either be in Calendar View or List View, and either option will work. There are two ways you can add events to your calendar. The first is by hovering over a specific event on the calendar and selecting Add to Calendar. Here, select which calendar you would like your event to be added to. Additionally, you can add all of the events for that month, in this case, August, by clicking the download icon and selecting the ICS file once it is completed downloading to add it to the calendar of your choice. Once you have opened up the district app, there are also multiple ways that you can add events to your calendar on your phone. First, select Schools, see All Schools, and from this list, select which school you're interested in seeing events for. For this example, we will also use Wheaton Moorville South High School. Once you're on your Schools tab, select Menu, School Events, and from this list, select which specific event you are interested in adding to your calendar. For this example, we will use August 14th. From here, select Add to Calendar, and a pop-up should appear letting you know it has been added. Additionally, you can add district events by hitting Menu, District Events, and selecting another event from this list. For this example, we will use the first day of school for grades 1 through 12. By selecting it, hitting Add to Calendar, you will also see it has been added to your phone's calendar.